How to earn points through Shake Shack website orders. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you want to earn Shake Shack rewards points while ordering online, well here is how you can do it. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open any web browser and now here, once you're inside, you can just click on the search bar and simply search for Shake Shack. And now here on the search result, just click on the first link and after that, you'll be prompted to the official website of the Shake Shack. Now here, simply sign in with your account and once you're logged in with your rewards account, then you can just select your shack location and build your orders by choosing your favorite burgers, fries, shakes, and any add-ons you want. And there, when your card is ready, then you can just click on checkout and confirm pickup and delivery details and pay using your saved payment method. And here, points are automatically earned on every eligible order placed while signing to your rewards account. And with that, just a pro tip is that you should make sure that you are signed in before ordering. Otherwise, points won't be applied to your account. And that's it. Earning points and racking it up is easy with every Shack order. And with this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.